Welcome, dear. I want to extend my deepest thanks for you joining me in this session. Today you will explore how meaningful your life is and your presence in the community and the world. Please make sure you're in a comfortable position, in a place where you can let go of the outside world for the next few minutes. Allow your eyes to close to enhance your experience. Begin to draw in a long and slow, deep breath in through the nose and exhale out through the mouth. On the next full breath in, allow for the fresh oxygen to deeply relax you. Breathing in new air and breathing out into a nice, calm state of being. You are a special being. You matter. Begin to recall some times in your life where you were needed. Maybe there was someone who needed you, and you were there for them. When were some times where you contributed to your community, school, or workplace? Breathe into these memories and feel a sense of pride rise in you for being a valuable member of society. Or better yet, a cherished friend or beloved family member. Allow the stories of your life to come alive in your mind. These stories make you who you are. Your experiences make you unique to everyone else. Remember the good times, as well as the not so good times. We all have them. Each experience is unique from the other. Good. At times, you may be tempted to compare yourself to others. You may even limit yourself, holding back your greatest talents in order to feel like you fit in with the crowd. Let's demolish that attitude right now. So say to yourself, with conviction, these affirmations. I have unique gifts, and I intend to share them with the world. I put 100% of my effort into expressing my talents. I was born to stand out from the crowd. Good. Feel the power of these words through every part of your being. I have unique gifts I intend to share with the world. I put 100% of my effort into expressing my talents. I was born to stand out from the crowd. Begin to return from this session, feeling a deep sense of confidence that you matter. You are unique. Your gifts are wanted in the world. Whenever you're ready, open your eyes.